Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here. Welcome back to the channel for a quick emergency trade update on KDA. So as of the time of recording, Kadena is down between 5 or 6%, depending on what exchange you're looking at. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on the KDA trade that we entered yesterday. So let's talk about it. Now, we obviously talked about entering from 125 on a 5x leverage, and as you can see, if we zoom in, we've really started to move down from this entry point. So if we look at where we are right now, we're down about 9% on our 5x leverage trade, meaning we're in approximately just under 50% profit. So as always, when we do enter these trades, when we do have trades go in our way, there's no reason that we should be sitting in almost 50% profit and not make sure that we are walking away with profit in the worst case scenario. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be incorporating a stop loss in this trade. So even if I'm wrong and the markets turn against us, we're walking away with profit. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. Now, from our entry point at 125, a tiny bit higher for myself, you can see if we move this down, so we're in about a minus 2% drop from our entry point, approximately at $1.23. That is going to mean that we're 2% down from our entry. Of course, on a 5x leverage, this is securing and realizing at least 10% profit on this KDA trade right now. So just wanted to give you a super quick update. I will also just show you one chart very quickly. We, of course, made an extensive TA update on this yesterday, so I don't want to waste any of your time and just regurgitate the same information. Of course, if you watched this video yesterday, we presented a lot of charts, a lot of theories, a lot of TA, all different reasons why we were entering this trade. And as you can see, we've really started to move down very quickly. At one point, we were down almost 11%, meaning that we were in about 55% profit. So, you know, really right now, your stock market's losing crucial lines of support. It's getting absolutely destroyed. Bitcoin is coming down. We've got a price target all the way down at 21,400. So these are all reasons why I'm very confident sitting in my KDA trade right now. I don't see us coming back up to this $1.23 region unless we get some crazy economic data which cannot be predicted in the charts, which is why, of course, we're securing this 10% profit worst comes to worst. Now, of course, if you didn't enter this trade with me, do I recommend that you FOMO into the trade right now? No. We always are very careful with the trades that we pick on this channel, which is why we don't enter trades too often. When we do, we always like to enter from a position of strength, and that position of strength has pretty much come and gone at this moment in time. So if you are in this trade, congratulations on your almost 50% profit. Of course, take profit is down at around about 50 cents, and the more we continue to break to the downside, the more we will obviously lower that realized profit region, meaning that even if the markets do reverse on us, let's say we drop another 50%, we want to be walking away with maybe 25% profit in the worst case scenario. Now, just a quick update, the EMA ribbons are getting extremely tight for Kadena, the same as they are over on Bitcoin. Now, tight EMA ribbons always correlate to big moves in the market. In fact, you can see a very good example of this that happened over on Bitcoin. Big moves always ensue when the EMA ribbons get tight, and Kadena's EMA ribbons are getting extremely tight right now. If on the 4-hour time frame these do start to cross bearish, it's possible that we have a move back up to, you know, maybe 115, 120 before moving back down. So I do have my stop loss well above this region, well above these range lows round about $1.15 as well. So I think we're going to be sitting nice and peachy up here. And the only other thing I did want to update you on, because like I said, we made an extensive TA update on this yesterday. I don't want to just regurgitate all that information. On the higher time frames, a couple of reasons why we entered the trade. We touched these volume profiles, we got rejected. If you look at these range lows right here, we came up to these range lows since May. This was support. We came back, retested them as resistance, and now we're breaking down. If we do zoom into this chart, you can see bull market support bands, EMA ribbons, we're getting rejected from them, and we are moving down. The MFI, the money flow index, is all the way up at 69, extremely overextended right now. On the higher time frames, we've not even started to break down properly. And over on the stochastic RSI, you can see we quite recently hit 100. We've crossed bearish, and there is so much room to move to the downside. So there we go, my friends. That's all I wanted to update you on. I'm very confident sitting in this KDA trade right now, and of course realizing that 10% profit, sitting in and 50% unrealized profit just makes this even sweeter. So for today, that's all I've got. Congratulations to the Cowboy family if you did enter this trade with me. As always, if you do appreciate these trade updates, if you appreciate the original trade we entered, if you like my content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment. Share the videos with your friends. Also, be sure to come and join me over on Twitter at 618_cowboy. Come and join the Discord. If you head over to my YouTube, click on about, you can see my Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and merch store are all linked down below. For today, that's all I've got. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out, my friends. Peace.